Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the simple steps to log in to your SiteGround account. Follow these easy instructions to access your website hosting seamlessly. Step 1. Go to the SiteGround website. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the official SiteGround website at www.siteground.com. Step 2. Click on Login. Once you are on the SiteGround homepage, locate the Login button in the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed. Step 3. Enter your credentials. You will be directed to the login page. Here, enter your email address or username in the first field. In the second field, type your password. Make sure you enter them correctly to avoid login issues. Step 4. Click Login. After entering your credentials, click the Login button. If your information is correct, you will be taken to your SiteGround account dashboard. Step 5. Troubleshooting login issues. If you encounter any issues, double-check your email and password. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password, link below the login fields and follow the instructions to reset it. Step 6. Explore your dashboard. Once logged in, you can navigate through various options available in your account, such as managing your websites, checking your billing information, and accessing support. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful.